Hello，大家好啊！我係小鳥老師，歡迎你嚟到閃星星。今次咧會教大家 polish your writing，即係咧如何擦亮寫作。今集咧係適合中學生或者一啲程度較高嘅小學生睇嘅。中學嘅作文呢，會比小學要求高好多㗎。不如我哋先睇一睇呢3句。I witnessed a gleam in her eyes when she， 我目擊到喺佢眼裏邊閃出一啲光。I merely stood still as a piece of wood with a spine-shivering feeling， 我只可以企喺度好似一嚿木頭咁。而我不斷咁樣抖震。It connoted the end of the most unforgettable summer vacation。佢意味住而家已經係一個難忘嘅暑假嘅結尾啦。大家又察覺到啲咩呢？冇錯啦，佢哋呢都充滿咗一啲感情喺裏邊，洋溢住感情嘅噃。除咗你嘅文要洋溢住感情之外，以下呢3樣嘢都好重要嘅喎。首先就係 rich 同埋 precise 嘅 content， 即係話好豐富同埋好一針見血嘅內容。點樣先可以做到呢？同學就要靠你睇多啲書，擴闊多啲眼界啦。第二就係 the beauty of language， 其實英文或者中文，其實佢嘅語言都係好優美嘅。第三就係 accuracy 同埋 organization， 你點樣鋪排呢一篇文呢？有冇首尾呼應啊？同埋你嘅準確性有冇用錯 tense 啊？用錯 phrase 啊？呢啲都會計分㗎噃。你可能又會問啦，咁點樣令篇文更加生動啊？咁我哋可以用一啲 humorous 嘅 words 嘅，即係話一啲幽默嘅字。例如 I was strolling along the street， 我哋用 strolling， 即係好放鬆、好 relax 咁樣漫步，而代替 walking 嘅。I was munching on a mixture of savory and sweet snacks。我呢喺度細細咀嚼一啲鹹甜嘅小食，細細咀嚼我哋可以代咗用 eating， 我哋用 munching 呢一個字。It accompanied with a bountiful of tasty snacks。伴隨住嘅係一啲好好味嘅小食，但係我哋加上 bountiful， 令你會有肚腩嘅小食啊！係咪更加生動呢？跟住落嚟呢3句呢，我係好鍾意㗎，佢哋充分表現到 the beauty of language。不如你背咗佢啊！第一句 The miserable old woman has no one to rely on, nowhere to go, and nothing to do。好似排比句咁，層層遞進，冇人可以依靠，冇地方可以去，同埋冇嘢可以做。第二句 The flip side of the coin is that， 一個大銀反轉嘅另一面，呢句嘅意思就係話相反意思咁解。I genuinely thought it was merely a normal day after school, but to my great surprise events took an unexpected turn。我真真正正覺得今日只不過係一個普通嘅學校日子，但係一個驚喜嘅事發生，令我完全有一個不能預計嘅大轉變。我真係好鍾意呢3句㗎，大家都讀多幾次啊！ 以下呢啲呢都係中學常用嘅 linking phrases 嚟嘅，我哋一齊睇下。有 first and foremost， 首先同埋好重要嘅。Nonetheless， 無論如何。As a matter of fact， 即係事實上。In bygone days I always， 以前嘅日子我常常。It is not recent news that， 唔係新鮮事嚟㗎。Last but not least， 最後但係同樣重要。同學一定要翻轉讀多幾次，用心記住啊！跟住落嚟，我哋又學下呢一啲新字啊。Words 我哋可以用 aggravated 惡化。Happy 可以用 euphoric 開心。Poor 我哋可以用 destitute 貧窮。Varied 我哋可以用 multifarious 多樣化。Saw 我哋可以用 scrutinized 看見。Horrified 我哋可以用 startled 好驚。Choked 我哋可以用 suffocated 窒息。跟住落嚟，我哋再學多幾句常用嘅句子啊。I was astonished when being informed that， 我好震驚啊，知道呢個消息之後。This deplorable phenomenon is so desperate that， 呢個壞嘅現象真係令人好絕望啊。As shown by many real-life cases， 事實上其實有好多例子嘅。It was no wonder that， 唔怪得知。跟住落嚟，我哋再學多少少副詞啊。記唔記得副詞係愛嚟做咩㗎？係愛嚟形容動作嘅。第一個 really， 我哋可以用 genuinely 真正地。Continuously 我哋可以用 seamlessly 無縫地。Harshly 我哋可以用 mercilessly 殘忍地。Uncomfortably 我哋可以用 disconcertingly 令人不安地。Insufficiently 我哋可以用 meagerly 微薄。Certainly 我哋可以用 undoubtedly 毋庸置疑地。Beautifully 我哋可以用 glamorously 美麗地。到最後送多幾個新字俾你下。第一個 ingenuous 即係 naive 天真。Deteriorate 即係 worsen 即係惡化。Gibberish 即係 unreasonable words 即係胡言亂語。Endeavour 即係 tried hard 即係努力。最後 delinquent 即係 criminal 即係罪犯。嚟到最尾又到考你嘅時候啦。第一題 The students are really under pressure exerted by their parents. Meager 微薄的。Suffocating 窒息的。Glamorous 美麗。Astonished 震驚，你又會揀邊一個啊？係 B 啊 ，suffocating 啊，好活靈活現喎，好似啲壓力令到你窒息咁樣。The old woman has to merely collected cardboard on the streets because she has only got salary. A. Seamless 無縫。B. Deplorable 壞的。C. Euphoric 開心。D. Meager 微薄的。你會揀邊個啊？係 D 啊，微薄嘅薪金。I spotted the back of someone that looked terrible. My body was shivering with fear. 今次你哋自己試下揀啦。係 B 啊 ，disconcertingly 即係令人不安。I walked towards the strange man. I his profile more closely. 今次你哋都係自己試下揀啦。係 scrutinized。I scrutinized his profile， 即係我望到佢嘅容貌。最後一題啦。I always dreamt of being a reporter and interviewing the famous people。邊個答案先啱呢？係 C 啊 ，in bygone days， 即係話過咗去嘅日子。同學又答得啱幾多題呢？其實都可以返轉由頭做過嘅。好啦，多謝你都係睇到最後，記得俾 like、subscribe 同埋 share。我係小鳥老師，下次喺閃星星再見你。如果你有啲乜嘢想學嘅，都可以喺下邊留言嘅。拜拜。